In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create due date automations in Trello, 5 minutes. Start by signing into your Trello account on the web or desktop app. Make sure you're in the correct workspace so you have the right permissions to create automations on the board you're using. Next, open the board where you want these automations to run. You'll want to pick a board that already has a few cards and due dates so you can see your changes in action right away. Open any card. We're working inside a card because Trello's automation tools, powered by Butler, are accessible from the card view and apply to the board behind the scenes. Look for the automation icon within the card. Depending on your layout, it may appear in the right side panel or under the card's actions. Click it to open Trello's automation options. Choose the option to add a new automation. This is where you'll decide whether you want something to run automatically or on demand. Trello separates these into rules and buttons, and both can work with due dates. If you want Trello to act based on time, choose a due date related trigger. For example, you can trigger actions when a due date is set, when a card becomes due in a certain number of hours, or when it becomes overdue. Pick the trigger that matches your workflow, such as when a due date is approaching for reminders, or when the due date is marked complete, to tidy up finished tasks. Alternatively, you can create a custom button if you prefer a manual control. A button is great when you want teammates to click once and have Trello handle multiple actions consistently, like prepping a card for the next stage. Click Create to add that button to your card. Give it a clear name so people know what it does at a glance, and choose a color if you want it to stand out. Now, customize your button by adding actions. Common actions include setting or adjusting a due date, adding a label like urgent, assigning members, moving the card to a specific list, posting a comment, or marking the due date complete. You can stack multiple actions in the order you want them to run. If you chose a time-based rule earlier, you'll customize actions in the same way here. When everything looks right, click Save to finalize your rule or button. Test it on a sample card, set a due date to a near time to confirm a rule runs, or click the button to confirm the actions fire correctly. Tweak as needed, then repeat these steps for any other due date scenarios you want to automate.